Hey guys, my name's Gabe, and in this video about the Delonghi Magnifica Evo, these are going to be the things that I'll be talking about. So you can skip right ahead if you're in a hurry. I'm going to be talking about how to adjust the My Latte option, how to decrease the auto off time so you can save on energy, how to restore it back to factory settings, and lastly, the correct way to adjust the coarseness of the coffee. And okay, let's get to it. To adjust the My Latte option, here's what you need to do. First, press the My Latte button until it blinks faster. Make it pour out your preferred amount of milk, then press the button again. Now keep in mind, with the My Latte option, you can never preset the amount of milk because you are in full control of that amount in every cup you make. Now once it starts pouring coffee, keep an eye on it, and when you're happy with the amount, press the button again, and that's it. You've adjusted the My Latte option. Now I'll do the process all over again, readjust it, so you'll believe me that it works. Press the My Latte button until it blinks faster. Press the button when you're happy with the milk quantity. Wait for it to pour out coffee. Then press it again if you're happy with the coffee amount. Now I'm going to make another cup, but this time doing it the normal way to show you that it has retained the latest adjustment. As you can see, it stops at the level where I marked it last. To adjust the auto off time, press the sprocket button for 5 seconds. You'll hear a beep and the lights will change. Press the espresso button, then press one of the 3 coffee beans above it. The smallest bean corresponds to 15 minutes, the middle bean corresponds to 30 minutes, and the biggest bean corresponds to an hour. For me, I prefer my machine to turn off after 15 minutes of being idle. So after selecting the time, press the espresso button again, then press the sprocket button again, and that's it. Now to restore the machine to factory settings, make sure it's plugged on but turned off. Now you simply have to press the foamed milk button and the ×2 button simultaneously for 5 seconds. Then you'll hear a beep, and then all the lights will flash, and that's it. It's restored to factory settings. Now to correctly adjust the grinder, you just have to make sure that you turn the knob while it's grinding. Just like this. Do not turn it after, because it will be too hard or you might break it. And if you want a more complete tutorial of how to adjust the grinder, check out my original video on how to make adjustments. And that's all I got for this one. I just want to say thanks to all of you who watched my videos, subscribed to my channel, and left some awesome comments. Your support really makes making these videos worth it. And I really want to make more helpful, genuine, no BS videos. So if you want to support my channel, you can donate using the donate link right here. Any amount would be really appreciated, or you can just like and subscribe. That alone can immensely help my channel. Again, thanks for watching this video. You can check out my other videos. You might find something helpful there. So yeah, take care and see you in the next one. Bye.